Good morning, y'all.
Hello, good morning.
I'm gonna let her speak for herself from now on. That's just how it's gonna be. Well, today we are in the Great Smoky Mountains, and we're, oh Lord, and I just stepped in some mud. And we are going to be hiking on the Whiteoak Sink trail. And this trail is not considered one of the official trails in the park. It's not on the map, but it is definitely a trail. It's just not mapped out, and it's closed a large chunk of the year because of the bat population there, which it's not extinct. What's the word when? Endangered.
Yep.
I was like, what's the word? But they are endangered, so they closed that trail so that the bats that are in the cave and around the waterfall and all that can populate. And so anyway, but right now it is open, so we are going to hike out that trail. I don't have any idea how many miles it is. Angela and I hiked it a few years ago, but I don't remember how far it is. Maybe like 4 or 5 miles, like round trip, not sure. But there's a waterfall on this trail. There's a couple of caves,
Yeah.
I think, yeah. And there's a gravesite. It's a cool trail.
I think some families live there.
Yeah, it was like a settlement area,
Yeah.
wasn't it? And I think the person that lived there, it's his grave, so we'll see that today. To get to this trail, you have to come off of Schoolhouse Gap, or you could come off Turkey Pin Ridge Trail. But we started at Schoolhouse Gap, just kind of easier. And I have filmed Schoolhouse Gap Trail before. I'll put a link and you can watch it if you want to see what this trail looks like. But I'll save the good stuff for the actual trail we're hiking today. So, moving along. Onward. Getting us some photos of the mountain laurel all over this trail. Oh, you're fast, man. D trail.
So green.
I know. See all the mountain laurel and the trees. It's a little snail. I think he's asleep. All right, this here is the intersection with Turkey Pin Ridge Trail. So, like I said, to get to Whiteoak Sink, you can either come from Turkey Pin, the other end, up here, or, you know, up Schoolhouse Gap. So, once you get here to this intersection, oh my God, I'm getting, they're eating me alive! My God, the flies are relentless. Okay, so, go away, you jerk. Bugs, absolutely useless. Or at least flies. Yeah, oh, they're black. They're, look at them. They're like bee flies.
I know.
Get off the GoPro, you jerk.
Ow! The bitch bit me.
Ow! God.
Go.
Okay, we're walking. Okay, well, basically right past, get off! Right past that sign, you'll see the trail. It's on the left. I'll show you. So here we are. I mean, it's like right past it. And as you can see, there's a little trail here. And if you keep going, that continues on Schoolhouse Gap. So, this is Whiteoak Sink. You can see a sign that says no horses. But that's pretty much all you're going to see. Now, if it was closed, you'd see this closed off here. They put caution tape up, and then they usually put a sign that says it's closed. This is it. It's a pretty trail. Here we go. So it's a very distinct trail. There's definitely no mistaking where to go on this. Pretty wide path too. Man, the flies are relentless. Oh my gosh, it's bad. Oof, I don't remember flies like this. Oh my God, seriously, dude. Oh my God. Seriously, this is ridiculous. Oh my God. No, seriously, this is terrible. Angela's laughing, but this is like a freaking nightmare right now, guys. I'm not joking. I mean, they're everywhere and they're biting the fuck on me. All in my head. I don't even have like any perfume on or lotion. I sprayed some stuff on my legs. I wish now I sprayed all over my dang face. Oh, get off my tattoo, you ass. Oh my God. You know, they talk about the thru hikers talk about in Vermont, the black flies. I don't know if that's what these are. They're definitely flies.
But they look like bees.
But they look like bees.
Fly bees.
I will murder them all. People say murder should be against the law, whatever. Ah! Oh my God, and they like, oh my God. Your entire family will die. And your ancestors and your future kids. Oh, dude. Okay. I don't know. We may not make it on this trail because I cannot deal with this shit. Holy crap.
It's bad now. That's bad.
Get. Oh my God, this is so bad. Okay, I'm gonna get my long sleeved out. I don't even care if I burn up. You gotta laugh about it. I mean, what else you gonna do? But my God. What'd you find?
It's like some kind of...
Well, we put our long sleeves on, even though it's like probably 75 degrees or something crazy out here, but whatever. Guess what? They're not biting us now.
They like fresh skin, I guess.
Yeah, so yeah, now they're not biting us at all. I mean, yeah, they don't like the taste of polyester. Ha! Show them. And I put a hat on to kind of, because for whatever reason they like the bandana I was wearing, but I haven't got on the hat. Oh my God, that was terrible. Holy crap.
They're on me.
Are they?
Yes.
I'm not feeling them on me, but oh my God, that was so bad. And the worst part is they were biting my tattoo, and it's not quite healed yet. I have never noticed those in the Smokies before. The only thing I've ever noticed is gnats. I mean, we get gnats pretty heavily, but I've never had biting flies before. I'm exhausted from just fighting off the flies. It is funny that where I sprayed that stuff on my lower leg, they're not biting it. Why didn't I carry that stuff? I just left it in the car like an idiot. Oh well. This area is kind of sort of socked in. I mean, so it's definitely a lot more humid, and so you can see it's very green. So that has a tendency to breed bugs. I hate to complain. I don't want to complain about the warm weather, because obviously when it's warm, it brings out bugs. But dang, I do like the warm weather. I like hiking more in this kind of stuff than I do the winter, because it's prettier flowers and it's just easier. Like you know, you can take a break and relax and not feel like you're gonna freeze to death. But dang, the bugs. Ooh. Yeah. I hear what sounds like rain hitting the leaves of the trees. We should wash those stupid flies away. So I know it's hard to tell with the camera, but now we're going down. It's fairly steep, so we'll have to come back up this when we're done. But I'm burning up in this long sleeve. Oh my gosh, I do not want to get bit anymore. Okay, sorry, I know I'm whining a lot about the flies. It's just so unusual for this area. Or at least as far as in the 5 years I've been hiking. And actually hiking this trail before. Is that a Jerry Garcia bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the Jerry Garcia bear.
Well, it's part of the Grateful Dead collection. I can't remember what he's called, but
He's cool.
was it Jerry that always wore the black shirt? I don't know, one of them.
I don't remember. Oh, look at that big old rock. It is green. And through here. All right, officially down to the flat part. No more down. And then there's this like little side trail right here, or you can go continue straight. That's going to take you to the cave. This is going to take you to the waterfall. So we're going to go to the waterfall first. It's a good thing the trail is so well marked because it is pretty overgrown. If there wasn't a trail, it'd be kind of hard to know where you're going. But like I said, it's a pretty clear path. I have no idea whether or not the park actually does any kind of maintenance on this trail. I just know it's not an official trail as far as like to complete the map, or it's not on the map that they sell in the visitor center. So I hear the waterfall. And I believe from what I remember, there's actually like a cave behind the waterfall. You're not allowed to go into the caves in the park, but still cool. Oh, yeah, there's definitely a cave because it's gotten significantly cooler. Ah, there it is. There it is. It's not flowing, you know, very strong, but it's really cool. And there's the cave. These cool mushrooms too. We'll get closer here. Show you.
You did not tell me. Doesn't listen to me or Jerry.
Nope.
She does her own thing. And that's why she's stretching.
God, that's a big old.
It is.
Look at that spider web. Holy smokers. I don't want to mess it up. I don't know where she's at. She's gone.
Taking a bath at the waterfall.
Probably. You filming that?
Taking a shower. Be careful.
Am I down below it?
Huh?
Am I down below the spider web?
Yeah.
Kids, don't try this at home. Or here. Cave down there. Oh, it feels so cool. Like literal cool. Not figurative cool. Man, that cave goes way down there. So pretty. Angela's found her a spot to take photos. pretty good spot. Look at that.
There's Gretchen climbing back up the trail.
Okay, we're headed back down the trail from where the falls is, back to the main trail so we can head over to the bat cave.
To the bat cave.
To the bat cave. Man, look at this. It is like overgrown through here. Welcome to the jungle.
We got fun and games.
I don't know the rest of the words. What's the word?
I'm lost now.
Like I had in my head for a second.
The jungle.
We have fun and games. Knees. All right, back to the main trail. It's to the right.
To the right, to the right.
To the back cave, Robin.
Alrighty, Batman.
Oh Lord. Da 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 Batman. Yeah, this part is really pretty through here, I think. Just kind of open and boy, the path is just like perfectly smooth and flat. There's some people that were settled in this area. Of course, gosh, I mean, the entire Smoky Mountain National Park is pretty much was settled at one point or another. Yeah, this part right here is pretty nice. I like it. It's nice that you can at least, even if it is a brief time in the park, that you can come out here and just kind of see this area. Oh man, you can always know there's a cave because you can feel the ice coldness. It's like being in a refrigerator or a freezer, like one of those walk-in freezers. That's what it feels like. It's the best. And here it is, folks. The bat cave. Da 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 Batman! Look at these cool rocks.
God, that smells good.
I know, man. I can see where they do some testing or something here. Wow, it is so cool. Too bad you can't feel how it feels through the video because it's so cool. See, here we go.
Here's a spot for lunch.
Here's a little info about the. Might want to pause your video if you want to read about it. The whole area. Look at this. I know. It's like it's all sheltered or something. Look how tall that grass is, or whatever this is. And there's something. Oh shoot! Look at this, folks. Just so you know. There's an electric fence right there. Look at, well look, they got solar panels, I guess, to kind of power the, whatever they're doing, testing wise. That's kind of neat. All right guys, and just to be a responsible videographer, remember you cannot enter the bat cave. You cannot enter any caves in the park. So if you come down here, this is as far as you can go. Don't go past the fence. Oh, I missed. We didn't get that on video. That's hilarious. Never mind. This is my MT knife. I got at where did I get it at?
Trail Days.
Trail Days. I was gonna get it out. Cool. I finally wore it. I finally remembered to put it on. It's a cool knife. Haven't had to use it yet. I mean, I seriously doubt I'll probably ever actually use it. Hopefully, I never have to use it on a person or an animal. But I might use it to cut something like, you know, avocado or cheese. Cut the cheese, you know. Any of that. All right, let's go find that graveyard. Or actually, it's just a gravestone. I think it's just one grave. Ooh. And you just kind of go a little ways the opposite direction from the back cave. And it kind of goes up this mountain. Alright, it's just right up here. Right here. Abraham Law.
I could sit and have some water and
Okay, let's do it.
what do you think?
Sure, sounds good.
Not bad a day.
We'll sit right next to Abraham. Abraham, can we join you for lunch or snack or break? We're not gonna take lunch. We're just gonna have a break. Okay? We'll chat it up. You tell us what's been going on. We'll tell you what's been going on. Look what I got. So,
It's gonna be so gross.
these might be the most delicious things we've ever had in our life.
Tastes like chicken.
Oh my god, it's a real cricket.
Now it's got dirt on it.
It'll probably make it taste so spicier. Oh my god! Look, guys. Like, it's for real. Look at its little legs.
Real.
And its head. It's a real cricket. Okay. It's mind over matter, people.
Get your drink ready.
On the first episode of Naked and Afraid. Fear Factor edition.
Oh my gosh.
It's mind over matter. It's just a damn cricket. Oh dear God. Am I doing this for real? Oh God. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. It's just a cricket. I just felt its eyeball squish in my mouth.
That is disgusting.
That's disgusting. Yeah, I just ate a bug. An insect. Yeah, it was alright. It's not too bad.
What did it taste like? Is it
Nothing, like nothing. Like,
I mean, was there a juicy part?
no, it's super crunchy. Like, it's like a potato chip consistency, but it's not a potato chip. It wasn't that bad. Angela's gonna do it too.
Okay, I'm crying
Angela,
here
go,
before I've been
Angela.
laughing.
This
much.
is hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my Lord. Now you gotta make it crunch. Don't just swallow it.
I'm gonna swallow it.
No.
Yes. Here we go.
Oh, okay. You didn't crunch it. You didn't crunch it. You have to crunch it.
Oh my God, I felt it going crawling down my throat.
Look at that.
I gotta have something to get this down.
Bye, Abraham. It was nice chatting with you. All right. Headed back down to the main trail. And that pretty much concludes the end of this trail as far as there's not really any more trail to hike. There's what looks almost like trail going that way, but I'm pretty sure it just dead ends, if I remember from the last time I hiked it. So we're thinking we might take a drive through Cades Cove, see what's going on. Right now it's kind of raining a little bit, but we're kind of lucky because, whoa, careful. Because of the tree cover, there's so much tree cover, we haven't got actually rained on.
A tick on me.
Hear the thunder? Thunder, hear thunder, lightning and the thunder. I don't know if you can tell, looks like there's a cave right in there. Yep, lots of caves in this area. There's a little bit of a path here. I'm not going in the cave, but I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see it. Hopefully not a bear in there. Yeah, look at that. Ain't that cool? Whew. Headed up the steepest part. The thunder rolling. And it's definitely raining. I could hear it. See, listen. It's wind and rain. But I'm not getting wet yet because the trees are covering us. Hopefully we'll get lucky and it'll stay that way. See, just kind of goes around. It's not too long up, it's just pretty steep, but it's not very long. All right, so that hole, we're not getting rained on, didn't last long. Last pouring. I'm gonna put my poncho on. This is a nice poncho. It's like long sleeved and it covers my whole pack. Pretty awesome. Holy cow, it's coming down. Angela's getting her back on. I know, that thunder. Scary. I haven't seen any lightning yet. Hopefully to God we don't see any. And the wind's not too horribly bad, so trees aren't swaying or anything.
We're twins. I'm yellow, she's blue.
We're Easter. Hey, at least we don't have to worry about the flies.
That's right.
And my GoPro's waterproof. Yay! Holy Lord, that was the loudest thunder ever. That was scary. No lie. Woo! Oh Lord. The only consolation is we're down low. We're not like up on a ridge. So, but dang it. Woo! Scary. Holy Lord, if you could have heard that. It was scary. We were protected from the psycho vampire black flies. Yay! Rumble. Thunder. Hear the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Hopefully we don't see any lightning. Woohoo, we're off this trail. All right, we're back on Schoolhouse Gap. This is pretty easy, but now we're a little more open to the sky. Whew. All right. So far there's not been any lightning, or at least none we've seen. Just really loud thunder. So hopefully either there's no lightning or the lightning's too far away, you know, to affect us. We haven't fun yet! We just gotta make it to the car. Survive. This is a map that I found on wildlifesouth.com. I'll put a link in the description. This gives you kind of a breakdown of the Whiteoak Sink area in the map. You can see here on the trail, you can see where the Waterfall cave is, the Blowhole cave, which I referred to in the video as the Bat Cave, and then there's another cave. If you go just about 1/8 of a mile up to the right of the Blowhole cave, there's another small cave there. Here's that gravesite you saw, and then that one trail that I was telling you I didn't think there was anything else on. There is some old cogs and an old home site area, and then there's a rock wall here, and then up a little ways is a cave. Now there's not a distinct trail at this point, so you're just pretty much bushwhacking to find it. And then going back up the trail, you'll see there's an old home site area and a rock rock wall, which I did not capture in this video. Kind of forgot that those things were there. I completely forgot about them. So I just wanted to show you this map real quick so that you can use this as reference. Again, I just recommend going onto their website and downloading this map, and I will put the link in the description box. Oh, there she is. Oh, and there's one down there too. Let's see. We'll do it real quick.
There we go. He's right there. Right here. Okay. You come in front of me.
Okay, I don't know if y'all are going to be able to tell, but I get a huge bruise here now. I whacked myself with the door. I was opening the door really quick to try to hop in, and as I was trying to hop in and open the door at the same time, my car's a little different than Angela's, and her car has like the edge, and so it is black, so I guess I wasn't seeing it. Anyway, I just punched myself right in the face with our car door. So yeah, I got this nice little bruise. It's probably gonna get worse, but that's what happens when you get out of the car to take a picture of a bear. You're not supposed to do that. Now granted, the bears were down at the bottom of the ravine, so I mean, like, we were definitely further than 50 yards or 100 yards or whatever it's supposed to be. I mean, so, cause she was way down there with her cubs, which look like teenagers. But anyway, that was really cool. That's the first time seeing a bear. Gosh, that's probably the first time I've seen a bear in 2 years. Yeah, I paid for it. See, that's what happens. See, the bears hate me now, so they never let me see them, and they're like, well, if you're gonna see us, we're gonna make sure you're punched in the face. That's what I got from looking for video on bears. Ouch. It hurts. She loves it. Look who we ran into. Remember Helena? She was in my Sugar Land Mountain video. She's here with her friend Jeff. Jeff, and there you got some ice cream. He's like, look, I got you on video, Jeff. Say hi to YouTube. All right, we decided to stop at the Cades Cove store so we can get us a drink or something before we hit the cove. I might go to the bathroom too. That's probably a good idea. Yeah. All kinds of snack stuff. Yeah, there's a whole like area over there too. And then, yeah, you can order like actual food here. I was gonna buy some ibuprofen for this swollen nose. Look, I look like the elephant man. It's like really swelling up. So I like, you know, I guess it'll just go down on its own. I don't really know how that works. I've never been hit in the face before, but anyway, Angela gave me one of her like ibuprofen pills or whatever. She's like, I think this is it. So if I die, it's all Angela's fault. But then she took the same pill, so she'll die too. So we're both gonna be dead. Anyway, oh, and Jerry, if you're watching this, yeah, anyone who's watching this, if you watched the last video I did with the plane crash, Jerry and I got into it a little bit, which is pretty regular, over my distaste of plastic cups, and I like to drink out of styrofoam. But you know what? Hey, beggars can be choosers, and we started at the Cades Cove store. This is all they have, and you know what? I'll take what I can get. So it's a Diet Coke, so I'm happy about that. We get to drive through the cove. We also got hot dogs, so yeah. So we're driving through the cove, so we'll take you all along if you want to stick around and see what else we see. Hopefully I don't do any other damage to myself, but traffic's pretty backed up right now. Don't know if that means there's another bear, or you never know in the cove. So all right, Coke.
Onward.
This is pretty much what you can plan on if you're going to drive through the cove. So just plan that, especially if you're going around lunchtime. Oh. But it's the rain cleared up. It's beautiful. back out of the car. This is Sparks Lane. I have a picture of this in my office at work, this road right here. Look at the horsies. We keep getting out of the car to get close-ups of things. We saw these really pretty flowers down here. So. Diet Coke, oh yeah. Hot dog, hot flavored chips.
Hot dog,
Oh,
hot
yeah.
chips. Big wiener.
Oh Lord. Looks good.
Okay.
It is good. And this is our view right now for lunch. Pretty.